Hey, welcome back. My name is Sushant Satish, and I am your trainer for this Azure Administrator Associate Examination AZ104 certification course. We just completed Module 10. In Module 10, we have learned about different types of backup, the ways to protect your workloads, and different types of agents available for the backup as well. In this video, we're going to go through whatever things we have learned on the data protection module. So let's look at the first question. You need to back up files and folders to Azure. Which three steps must you perform? So the first step is anyways download, install and register the backup agent. So we have seen a demonstration where I have downloaded the agent and then I downloaded the certificate to register. So that is definitely the first step. So what is the second step? Is it to synchronize the configuration? No. The next step is to back up files and folders. And then what is the next step? Is it create a backup services vault? Definitely not. So the first step is to create a recovery services vault if you are looking from an order. So after you create the recovery services vault, you download the agent and install the backup agent, and then you back up the files and folders. Let's look at question number 2. You are responsible for creating a disaster recovery plan for your data center. You are able to recreate virtual machines from scratch. This includes the operating system, its configuration settings, and patches. Which of the following will provide a bare metal backup of your virtual machine? You need to select one option. So what can you do to back up a bare metal? Is it Azure Backup Mars Agent? Definitely not. Mars Agent can be used to back up your files and folder. Is it Disk Snapshot? No. This snapshot is for your Azure virtual machines. Is it Azure Site Recovery? That is for your BCDR. So the correct answer is Azure Backup Server. Azure Backup provides a bare metal backup capability. Let's look at question number 3. You have several Azure VMs that are currently running production workloads. You have a mix of Windows Server and Linux servers, and you need to implement a backup strategy for your production workloads. Which feature should you use in this case? We just need to select one answer. So we have a mix of both Windows and Linux server. So how do you back up? So the correct answer is Azure Backup. For backing up virtual machines running production workload, use Azure Backup. Azure Backup supports application consistent backup for both Windows and Linux virtual machines. You plan to use Azure Backup to protect your virtual machines and data and are ready to create a backup. What is the first thing you need to do? So the first step in BCDR and backup is to create a recovery services vault. When performing a virtual machine backup, you must first create a recovery services vault in the region where you want to store the data. Recovery points are stored in the recovery services vault. While creating a backup policy is a good practice, it is not a dependency to creating a backup. The Azure VM agent is required on Azure virtual machines for backup extensions to work. However, if the VMs are created from the Azure gallery, then the VM agent is already present on the virtual machine. Let's look at question number 5. You deploy several virtual machines to Azure. You are responsible for backing up all data processed by the VMs. In the event of a failure, you need to restore the data as quickly as possible. Which of these options would you recommend to restore a database used for development on the disk data? You just need to select one. So if your machines are deployed in Azure, so the correct answer is Azure Virtual Machine Backup. Use the Azure Backup to restore VM to a specific point in time and to restore individual files. Azure Backup supports application consistent backup for both Windows and Linux VMs. Let's look at question number 7. Your organization needs a way to create application-aware snapshots. and backup Linux virtual machines and VMware virtual machines. You have files, folders, volumes, and workloads to protect. You recommend which of these following solutions? Select one. So it is definitely not Azure Backup Mars Agent or Snapshot or Enable Backup for individual Azure VMs. So the correct answer is Azure Backup Server. Azure Backup Server provides app-aware snapshot, support for Linux virtual machine, and VMware virtual machines. And the Azure Backup Server can protect files, folders, volumes, and workloads. You plan to use virtual machine soft delete. Which of the following statements are true? And we need to select two. I'm going to read out these statements to see if that statement is true. Soft delete provides 20 days extended retention of period. Definitely not. If you delete a backup, soft delete will still provide recovery of data. Absolutely correct. That is the whole purpose of soft delete. And soft delete is built-in protection at no additional cost. Again, absolutely correct. If you delete a backup, soft delete still provides recovery of data, and soft delete is built-in protection at no additional cost. Alright, so that concludes Module 10. Module 10 was all about data protection. In the next video, we're going to start a brand new module, which is going to be the last module for this AZ-104. It's all about monitoring. And the first lesson, what we are going to learn in the monitoring is all about Azure Monitor. So I will see you on the next one. Till then, take care.